Question 13, we've got a triangle, and you'll notice it is not a right-angled triangle, so Pythagoras and SOHCAHTOA are out of the window, and instead we're looking towards the sine or the cosine rule to solve this, because they've asked us to find this angle here. Let's call that angle x. Now, are we looking towards the sine or the cosine rule? Well, we're actually looking towards the sine rule, because we've got a side angle pair that we know everything about. Because I can say that sine 70 divided by 18 will be equal to another of these ratios. And as you can see, we can't pair the x up with the side BC because we don't know it. So I can't use x directly. So what I'm going to have to use is use the other pair. And if I call that angle y, I'll be able to find y. And once I've found y, I can find x because I know that x plus y plus 70 will add up to 180 degrees. So this is equal to sine y divided by 15. I like to do a bit of a rearrangement before I bring in the calculator. I can say, using cross multiplying, sine y is equal to 15 multiplied by sine 70, and that will be divided by 18. Popping that into a calculator, I get the answer of 0.783, and on it goes, and therefore y, which will be sine to the minus 1 of this answer, is found to be equal to 51.5 degrees. So using that fact that these three angles must add up to 180 degrees, x must be equal to 180 minus 70, minus our answer above, 51.5. And this turns out to be 58.5, and that is to 1 dp. And that is the answer.